Hello everyone. Here we are once again with another video to cheer you up in these gloomy lockdown days. In our previous video, we had discussed about mathematical series. Today you will learn about few more interesting mathematical series. Before starting, if you haven't yet subscribed, quickly go and subscribe. And yes, do not forget to like and share. Press the bell icon too.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are happy and safe at your home. Now observe this pattern. This is very much important. First is 11, then 13, then 17, then 19, then 23. If I consider difference is 2. Now difference is 4. Difference is again 2. Difference is again 4. We can easily find next difference will be 2 and your result will be 25. But the 25 is in your option. Very careful about this problem. If in a series or in the case of reasoning, if you get more than one answer, in the option which is the coming first, that is the right answer. If you get 2 answer or 3 answer in the option which is coming first, that is your right answer. So now first logic, 2, 4 and your answer is 25, 25 is the option. Now if I go for this number is ascending of the prime number, 11, next prime number is 13, next prime number 17, next prime number 19, next prime number 23, next prime number will be 29. And the 29 also is answer. It is also given. So there are two answers. One, 25, second, 29. Both answer are right. But 29 is a first option because before 25, 29 is there. So your right answer is 29. Remember very carefully. Next up. 1, then 27, then 125, then 343, then you have to find out. 1 cube is 1, then 3 cube is 27, then 5 cube is 125, then 7 cube is 343. So 1 cube, 3 cube, 5 cube, 7 cube, then 9 cube. So 9 cube equal to 729. That is the right answer. So this is a series of cube. Series of cube, skipping one number. So 1, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 9 and so on. Now next problem. 2, then 6, then 3, then 9, then 4.5. Observe first number is increased. Second part number is decreased. How it is find out? Either add or minus or multiply and division. If I add 4 and minus 3, then add 4 you cannot get 9. So multiply by 3 is a 6. Divide by 2 is a 3. Again multiply by 3, 9. Divide by 2 is a 4.5. The rule is matching. Then you have to multiply by 3. So your answer will be 4.5 into 3 equal to 13.5. So rule is multiply by 3, then divide by 2 continuously. Now we are taking the next example. Number is 7, then 11, then 15, then 20, then 25, 31, 37. We want to introduce some rule. The difference is 4. The difference is 4. The difference is 5. The difference is 5. The difference is 6. The difference is 6. So we can continue. The difference increasing by emphasis, but the difference is repeating, 2 times repeated. So 4, 4, then 5, 5, then 6, 6. Now your difference will be 7. So 7, 44 is your next term. Or next example. So before entering in the exam hall, you have to know how many ways I can give you question. You just scan the question and solve the answer. Or next step. 3, then 5, then 8, then 12, then 17, 21, 24. Now if I make difference, is 2, difference, 3, difference, 4, difference, 5, difference, 4. Now, this series is called oscillation series. The pendulum coming here and go back. If I say this one, difference 2, difference 3, difference 4, difference 5, gradually increasing, then decreasing. After 5, this 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. Now here, 2 increase, 3 increase, 4 increase, 5 increase, 4 increase, then your increase is 3. So your result is 24 is the last answer. Oscillation series. Next series. 17, 24, 37, 48, 65. Just observe. The number is very near to some square. If I say 4 square, then plus 1 we can get 17. If I say 5 square, then minus 1 we can get 24. If I say 6 square, plus 1 we can get 37. 7 square, minus 1 we can get 48. 8 square, plus 1 we can get 65. So 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, then 9 square. So 9 square. First plus 1, then minus 1, then plus 1, then minus 1, then plus 1, then minus 1. So your answer 81 minus 1, your answer is 80. So your next number will be 80. Next part. 17, 27, 39, 53 and so on. Very, very important question. If I say 4 square plus 1, 5 square plus 2, 6 square plus 3, 7 square plus 4. So 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, and difference gradually increase by 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then your answer will be 8 square plus 5. So 64 plus 5, your result is 69 is your next answer. So next number will be 69. Next part, most important. 3, then 5, then 8, then 13, then 24, 23. You have to remember what is the pattern. If I multiply by 2 and minus 1, we can get 5. So 5 is coming, these are relationships. This number is related with this. So 3 multiplied by 2 minus 5. Now 5 multiplied by 2 minus 2 is 8. Then 8 multiplied by 2 minus 3 is 13. Then 13 multiplied by 2 minus 4. So this is 13 multiplied by 2, 26. And 26 minus 4. Your result is 22. Next number will be 22 multiplied by 2 minus 5. First is 3 double minus 1, 5 double minus 2, 8 double minus 3, 13 double minus 4, 22 double minus 5. So 22 into 4, 2 is at 44 minus 5, your result is 39. Our next step. Remember the type first. 3, 13, again 30, 17, 23, 19. Remember, this is your confusion area. 2 times 13 and 19. This is under mixed series, the double series are given. This is no relation between 2 13. So 3 and 13 difference is 10. 13, 23 difference is 10. So 23, next 10, your result will be 33. So now this part is a false. 13 is a prime number. Your next prime number is 17. Your next prime number is 19. If I give the another question, then your next prime number will be 23. Observe our next topic, the most important topic, pure mathematical series that we are giving. We observe 1 into 2 square, then 2 into 3 square, then 3 into 4 square, then 4 into 5 square. We know that will be the answer, 5 into 3 square. But we are giving the question in this format. 4, then 18, then 48, then 100, you have to find out next. Again, 1 into 2 into 3, 2 into 3 into 4, 3 into 4 into 5, 4 into 5 into 6. We know our result will be 5 into 6 into 7. This is the format mathematically, and your result is given to your question. Now, what is the difference? Difference is 14. What is the difference? Difference is 30. What is the difference? Difference is 52. Now what is the difference? Difference is 16. Now what is the difference? Difference is 22. What is the difference? Difference is 6. Now compare these differences, continue. 22 plus 6, your result is 28. I write 28. 28, 52, your result is 80. And 80 plus 100, your result will be 180. So that is your right answer. So 6 square into 5, that is the result is 180. Now the last question. If you do not know this tricks, you cannot do the problem. What is the answer? Now 6 and 24, difference is 18. Difference is 36. Difference is 60. Come down. Difference is, this is 36. So 18. The difference is 24. Difference is 6. Copy the number 6. 24 plus 6, 30. 30 plus 60, 90. 90 plus 120, 210. That is your right answer. So you have to find out, some questions are given in the mathematical form. But in your question, the result is coming in your question. You have to follow this rule, then you can get the answer. So there are so many rules are there. If the student follows the types of the series and practice from the different areas, they can able to solve the answer in the exam hall.